Hello, this is Joe from Joe's Tech Bits. I have another video for you today. My video will be how to change your desktop background picture. And as you know, Windows comes with some default backgrounds, but sometimes they're kind of boring. And most people like to have something that they can look at and enjoy more than the Windows background. So what I'd like to do today is just show you how to put a different background in there and change up when you need to. So here we go. First of all, I have the normal Windows background here, but the easiest way to change your background photo is to find a picture that you really like. I'm going to go here. I have some flowers in this folder right here. If you find a picture you really like and you just right click on it, you're going to bring a menu up. Within this menu, if you look at the top here, it says set as desktop background. Click that, and there it is. Boy, that's pretty. Nice red picture. Nice red flower. Okay, so suppose you get tired of that. You want to change it. Well, you can do the same thing. You can find another picture, or you can go to settings. And if you go to settings, personalize, which is one of the settings options, and you see that picture that's on my screen, and it also shows you some of the things that are going to be set up on your computer, such as fonts and other colors when you're in some Windows working. Suppose you want to go back to that other drab picture. You can click on that right there. This shows all the pictures that you've had on your desktop. It'll save them there. So if you want to switch back and forth, you can. Now, you can go here and do a browse, and again, look for another picture. I could go anywhere. I could go to another folder, but what I think I'll do is just pick another picture. Choose picture, and we'll see that this tree or bush, whatever it is, came up, and it's now my screen background, my desktop background. Now another way to get there, I'm going to close this. This is from our settings, but you can again right click on the desktop and go to personalize. Once you hit personalize, it'll take you right to the background options, and you can have a picture, but if you like just a color, you can select to have a solid color. Let's see if we can pick red. For people that like red, that's pretty good, but it's awful bright for me, so I think I'm going to go back to personalize again. You notice down here the gears here and the taskbar, which means that when you go to personalize, either through settings or from the right clicking on the desktop, it takes you to the same place, right to your settings. So I'm going to change it to a little bit better color, maybe a blue, and let's see what happens. I like that a lot better, but still it's kind of drab. Now the other thing you can do is go to personalize, and here select slideshow. Now here's what you can do. You can take a folder of pictures And you can put anything in there. You can put family photos, different places you've been, different flowers, trees, mountains, seaside, and you can show that on your screen. And what will happen is you'll have multiple pictures on there. They'll change every so often. So you can select how often you want the screen to change. You can have it even as long as 1 day or as short as 1 minute. I'm going to leave it at 1 minute just for right now. And we'll say browse, and we'll find a photo folder, and oops, we chose flowers, and if we go there, you'll see we have our first flower from that folder. Now what you can do then is it will change. We have it set for every 1 minute. If you'd like to change it quicker than that, you can right click and say next desktop background. Do that, and it'll go to the next picture in that folder. And again, you can go to another one here, and it'll do the same thing. So if we go back, personalize, suppose we want to go back to our single picture, we could do that. Kind of like this red one here. And we can just leave that. This was just a quick video to show you how to change that background, and I hope you'll get some use out of this as well as my other videos. Again, if you search on YouTube for Joe's Tech Bits, it should take you to my channel. I have some other videos out there. Like I said, I like to keep simple items here that are quick and easy to do, and make the videos as short as possible. That way you won't have to remember a whole lot, and you can go back and replay the video and pause it as need be. So for now, that's it for today, and thanks for watching. Make sure you do a thumbs up, and we will catch you in the next video. Have a great day.